Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dig into products so you don't have to. Today, we have a robot vacuum showdown that's going to leave your floors cleaner than ever. On the left, we have the Roomba Q7 Max Plus, and on the right, the Tikom L9000. Let's get this battle started. First up, let's talk about price. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is priced at a hefty $869. That's the cost of a small vacation, or 869 items from the dollar store. On the other hand, the Tikom L9000 is a budget-friendly $249. You could buy 3 Tikoms and still have enough left over for a pizza party. So if you're balling on a budget, Tikom takes the cake. Next, let's talk about suction power. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus boasts a mighty 4,200 Pascal suction. It's like having a mini tornado cleaning your floors. Meanwhile, the Tikom L9000 isn't far behind with 4,000 Pascals. It's like the Roomba's slightly less ambitious cousin. But according to reviewers, both can suck up crumbs better than a 5-year-old with a straw. Moving on to navigation, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It makes precise maps and can even show you your home in 3D. Fancy, right? The Tikom L9000 also uses LiDAR navigation and can save up to 5 maps. So if you live in a mansion or just like to rearrange your furniture every week, Tikom's got your back. Reviewers appreciate how both vacuums navigate efficiently, but they note that the Roomba's mapping is slightly more advanced. Now, let's mop this up. Both vacuums offer vacuuming and mopping. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus has a 350 milliliters water tank and 30 water flow levels. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. The Tikom L9000 has a 250 milliliters water tank and 3 water levels. It's simpler, but it gets the job done. If you're into customizing every drop of water on your floor, go with Roomba. If you're more of a set it and forget it person, Tikom's your buddy. Reviewers say the Roomba's mopping is more customizable, while the Tikom is praised for its simplicity and effectiveness. Let's talk battery life, because nobody likes a robot that quits halfway through the job. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus can run for up to 180 minutes. That's 3 hours of non-stop cleaning. The Tikom L9000 offers 150 minutes. That's still impressive, but if you have a mansion or just really dirty floors, the Roomba's got the edge. Reviewers appreciate the long battery life of both models, but the Roomba's extra 30 minutes can be a game changer for larger homes. Special features time. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus has an auto-empty dock that can hold debris for up to 7 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. You could forget about cleaning for almost 2 months. The Tikom L9000 has 14 no-go zones and improved sensors to avoid obstacles and steep drops. It's like a cautious driver, always avoiding trouble. Reviewers love the Roomba's auto-empty feature for its convenience, while Tikom's no-go zones and obstacle avoidance are highly praised for homes with lots of furniture or pets. Reviewers generally praise both the Roomba Q7 Max Plus and the Tikom L9000 for their impressive cleaning capabilities. While the Roomba is noted for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and customizable mopping, the Tikom is appreciated for its affordability, efficient cleaning, and user-friendly features. Both vacuums come highly recommended, depending on your budget and specific needs. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is like the luxury car of robot vacuums, packed with features, but with a price tag to match. The Tikom L9000 is the budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Whether you're rolling in dough or pinching pennies, there's a robot vacuum for you. Who will you choose, the high-flying Roomba or the scrappy Tikom? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep those floors clean and those wallets full. Product links are in the description.